Hi, Classy Claws. These are going to be my holiday nails, or I thought they were, and they weren't really the colour I wanted them to be. I'd ordered this peach, and I think it was from eBay, and I think it's called Vision Nails, but the company I bought them from, not the colour. I can't remember what the colour's called, to be honest. And then I've used on here Cherry Blossom, and then I went over it with a more, and then realised afterwards I actually like Cherry Blossom. And that's peach that I've used. I've mixed some mango tango in it, so it's a bit brighter than I wanted. So I kind of did a bit of a practice, which is a good idea to do a practice. So now I know I'm going to change them for my holiday. Gold shards is what's going on now. They're either Glitter Fairy or CJP. Oh, I'm so rubbish at knowing where stuff's from. It's on the pot, on the lid, and it's all upstairs. So anyway, it's that, and then there's another gold that I use, which it says own mix, so I don't even know where that's from. So I mix the two together. Oh, excuse me, it's been a long day. So I'm kind of just doing a bit of glitter on one nail, an ombre, and then my ring finger, I do some sort of marble, but it's rubbish. So I'm not going to do that either on my holiday. I'm going to have a bit of plain peach. I literally threw these on, recorded it, just so you could kind of see the colours do really look nice together, and they do complement one another. It's just to give you another idea, I suppose. But when I do my proper ones for my holiday, I'll record them all properly, and so you can see it better then. I'll leave you to watch it, and I shall see you on the next one. All right then. This is about 5 minutes, by the way. It's not long at all. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit like if you like. All right, see ya. Bye.